What is up, guys? EJ, and I'm back at it again. So, if y'all wait for the spring break, well, y'all give me like 10,000 likes for the spring. I want to ride my gas dirt bike with Samir and Shawnee. That's all I gotta say. So y'all better give me 1,000 likes. And I ride my gas dirt bike. Like, well, don't go like man, go like. So, peace.